In this video, I'll show you how to change your Twitter display name and handle. It's a really quick tutorial, so make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I'll try to get back to them ASAP. So what you want to do is obviously open the Twitter app, go on the three dots. After you click on home, click three dots or profile picture. If you are on an Android device, you want to click on profile. If you click this button right here, which is edit profile, then you have your name that you can change right here. If you change it, it will change the name. You can change it, then save it, and it will be all good. But the question is, how do you change your Twitter handle? And here is what you need to do. You need to click the three dashes or your profile picture on an Android device. You want to go down below until you find settings and privacy. You go there, you click on account, and from there, you can change your username right here, as you can see. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like, and I want to see you in the next video.